Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're diving into the best email marketing tools for 2025. Now, if you're tired of overpriced platforms, sneaky hidden fees, or you're just ready to upgrade your email marketing game, then stick around because I've got some great options lined up for you. I've tested a ton of platforms, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 that truly stand out. I'll be sharing what's great about each one, where they fall short, and who each tool is best suited for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is Brevo, which you might know by its former name, Sendinblue. This platform is fantastic for small to mid-sized businesses looking for a cost-effective yet powerful email marketing solution. One of the things I love about Brevo is how user-friendly it is. It comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop email builder, so even if you're a complete beginner, designing stunning emails is a breeze. What sets Brevo apart is its unique pricing model. Unlike most platforms that charge based on the number of contacts, Brevo charges you based on the number of emails you send. This can save you a ton of money, especially if you have a large contact list but only send occasional emails. It's also great for multi-channel marketing because it supports email, SMS, and even WhatsApp campaigns. Plus, it comes with built-in CRM features to help you manage your customer relationships seamlessly. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The landing page builder is quite basic, so if you need advanced landing pages, you might find it a bit limited. Also, I've noticed some users complain about slow loading times when managing large campaigns, but if you're just getting started or running a small business, this might not be a big deal for you. Overall, Brevo is perfect for small businesses and startups that need an affordable all-in-one marketing solution. It's simple to use but powerful enough to handle automation and multi-channel campaigns. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that grows with your business, definitely give Brevo a try. Next up is MailerLite, which is hands down one of the most user-friendly email marketing tools out there. If you're new to email marketing or just want something straightforward and easy to use, MailerLite is a fantastic choice. Its interface is clean, minimalist, and really intuitive. You don't need any technical skills to get started. One of the best things about MailerLite is its automation features. They're surprisingly powerful, allowing you to create complex workflows effortlessly. I also love that MailerLite lets you automatically delete or unsubscribe contacts at the end of an automation. This keeps your list clean and helps you save on costs because you're not paying for inactive contacts. It's also pretty affordable with pricing that scales reasonably as your list grows. This makes it perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and content creators who want to keep things simple and cost-effective. But here's the catch. MailerLite's feature set is pretty basic compared to more advanced tools. If you're looking for complex CRM integration or sophisticated landing pages, you might feel a bit limited. Also, it doesn't support multi-channel marketing like SMS or WhatsApp. Despite that, MailerLite is a fantastic option if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-manage platform that won't break the bank. It keeps things simple, functional, and really effective. If you just need a straightforward email marketing solution, you should definitely check out MailerLite. Alright, now let's talk about HubSpot Marketing Hub. If you're looking for the ultimate all-in-one marketing platform, HubSpot is the powerhouse you need. It's perfect for businesses that want to streamline their marketing, sales, and customer service all in one place. HubSpot is an incredibly comprehensive marketing suite. It integrates email marketing, CRM, social media management, and advanced automation. This means you get a 360-degree view of your customer journey, which helps you optimize every touchpoint. Its automation features are top-notch, allowing you to create complex workflows and sales funnels with ease. Plus, the reporting and analytics are incredibly detailed, which is great if you're into data-driven marketing strategies. However, there are a couple of downsides. First off, HubSpot is expensive. The pricing tiers can get pretty steep, especially as your contact list grows. This isn't a tool for someone on a tight budget. It also has a steep learning curve, so if you're a beginner, you might find it overwhelming at first. But if you're running a mid-sized to large business or an agency looking for a comprehensive enterprise-level marketing solution, HubSpot is definitely worth the investment. It's powerful, flexible, and integrates seamlessly with almost every other tool you might be using. Just be prepared to invest some time and money to get the most out of it. Next on the list is Omnisend, which is perfect if you're looking to run multi-channel marketing campaigns. This tool is especially great for e-commerce businesses because it lets you seamlessly integrate email, SMS, and push notifications into one cohesive marketing strategy. Omnisend comes with beautiful templates and a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to design professional-looking emails. It also has super simple automation workflows, which are perfect for setting up abandoned cart reminders, welcome series, and order confirmations. What I really like is how it integrates SMS right into the platform so you can easily create multi-channel campaigns. However, Omnisend does have its drawbacks. Its analytics and reporting are not as detailed as some other platforms, so if you're big on data, you might feel a bit limited. Also, if you're planning on using SMS heavily, the cost can add up pretty quickly. But if you're in e-commerce or you want to reach your customers on multiple platforms, Omnisend is definitely worth considering. It's designed to help you engage your audience wherever they are, be it email, SMS, or push notifications. It's flexible, effective, and perfect for online stores. And finally, let's talk about MailChimp. It's one of the most popular email marketing tools out there, and is especially known for its seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify. MailChimp offers a full marketing hub, including CRM, social media integration, and even website building tools. Its email templates are beautiful and easy to customize. Plus, it uses AI-driven recommendations to help you optimize your campaigns. But here's the thing. MailChimp's pricing can be tricky. It charges for contacts, including unsubscribers and even non-subscribers, which can really inflate your costs. There's also a history of hidden fees and price hikes, so you need to keep an eye on your billing. If you're running an e-commerce store and need an all-in-one marketing hub, MailChimp is a powerful choice. But you need to be vigilant about the pricing model. So there you have it, the top 5 best email marketing tools for 2025. Each of these tools has its strengths and weaknesses, so the right choice depends on your needs and budget. If you're just starting out, MailerLite is a great affordable choice. For e-commerce, OmniSend or MailChimp are solid picks. And if you need advanced automation and CRM integration, HubSpot is unbeatable. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.